Are you guys looking for a spacious townhouse na super convenient, malapit sa Ortigas, and walang down payment? Eto na yon. Tara, samahan niyo ako. We're here inside Brookside Hills Subdivision along Ortigas Avenue Extension in Cainta, Rizal. Napakalapit po natin sa Cainta Junction, right next to Pasig na tayo. So super convenient. Ang isa pa pong napakagandang factor dito sa bahay na to, hindi po ito binaha kahit nung ondoy. I can personally assure you kasi malapit lang po yung bahay ko dito. And hindi pa yan. Isa pa, napakaganda ka ng deal kasi wala tayong required na down payment. This house stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of more or less 270. So napakaluwag po ng townhouse na to. Kung medyo nakakita na kayo ng townhouse sa QC, parang ganito yung style niya. Pero half the price. Yun po yung kagandahan. So nandito tayo sa carport. So kasya two very small cars. Pag ano po, SUV, isa po kasha, and then you can fit a few motorcycles, even siguro mga dalawang e-bike kasha pa dito. Pero ang kagandahan niyan, sa labas ng property, you have another car garage na pwede niyong gamitin kasi ano po yun, easement. So talagang hindi part siya ng lote, pero pag easement kasi ng lote mo, pwede mo gamitin yun technically. So, yun nga po, nabanggit ko kanina, hindi po ito binaha. So, wala po kayong reason para mag-worry sa baha. Kahit Cainta ito, hindi po ito binaha. So, this is our main door. Yan, sarado lang natin. For our main door, naka-digital lock na rin tayo. And then, it's made from mahogany. Ito, yung pinaka-frame ng ating door. So, tara, pasok po. Yan. So, welcome to your new house. Ganda po nitong property na to. Sa totoo lang, may mga few adjustments pa po na ginagawa, pero almost ready for occupancy na po. Pero ang kagandahan yan, fresh na fresh po ito. So, nandito po tayo sa ating living area. Most likely, this is gonna be your couch area. Kahit malaki po na U-type couch, kasya mga 8 to 12 packs na couch, pwede po dito. And then, on your left side, makikita niyo po, we have big sliding windows. Kaya kahit townhouse siya, maliwanag pa rin po yung natural light natin papunta sa loob. Ayan. So, sinara lang natin yung pinto. This is our, ayan, meron na tayong lalagyanan ng TV. Ang ganda. And you already have yung pinaka-TV rack nyo. Meron na rin siyang kabitan dito. This is, ano to? Parang granite siya, no? Ganda, pero marble design. And then you have WPC na, yan, na, ano dito? Ito yung circuit breaker. Pero yung wall nyo, ang accent niya is wooden plastic composite WPC, guys. Tapos, this is our staircase. Pero mamaya na tayo dyan. Dito muna tayo sa ating dining area. For the dining area, it can fit about 8 to 12 seater na table. Actually, medyo alanganin pala sa 12 seater. Baka mga 6 to 10-seater na table dito. Pero ang kagandahan yan, you already have a split type dito. This is a 2.5 horsepower na AC. So mapapalamig niyan na itong buong sala and your dining area. Yan. Coming from our dining area, welcome to my favorite part of the house. This is the kitchen. Napakaganda po ng kitchen ng bahay. Ang isa pa pong advantage, kumbaga semi-furnished na itong bahay na to. You already have your cooktop here. This is a 2-burner cooktop. You have your range hood, a lot of cabinetries, and then you have your oven and your microwave oven. Hamden po yung ginamit na brand. And then kung mapapansin nyo, yung pinaka-fit out niya is more on gray, light gray, and marble design. Ganda. And then you have this center island. Ang gulo na eh, no? Na-amaze kasi kung ganda po nito. And sobrang lapit po nung house ko dito. So, pag binili nyo po ito, makikita nyo lang ako dyan, nagja-jogging. Dadaan po ako, makikikain ako sa inyo. So, dito po ang lagayan ng ating side-by-side ref. 6 feet siguro. Side-by-side, but not that yung pinakamalaki. Siguro yung mga, ano ba to? Ilang cubic feet ba yun? 21 cubic feet. So, kasya dyan. Pero meron kasing mga side-by-side na sobrang laki. I think that's gonna be too big for this one. Yan, so balik tayo dito sa ating center table na pwede ring breakfast nook. Napaka ganda and useful. Yan, meron na rin tayong mga cabinetries dito. Ayos, ganda na yun. Ay, ganda po nung bahay na to. Simula from the digging, nakikita ko na to nadadaanan. I pass by here every day. So, ang ganda lang kasi parang nakita mo yung paglaki nung bahay. Parang bata. Yan. So, you have this and then you have a decorative lighting here. And then you have a double sink and faucet. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng oven. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng microwave. Ang daming cabinetries. Panalo. O, di ba? Aside from that, paatrasin ko lang ng konti si pare kong BJ. Meron tayong ito, sasara ko. Ayan, open natin. You have your pantry. Hindi lang cabinet, walk-in pantry. Oh, napakadami. Kahit napakarami nitong grocery. Oh. Ang katabi po ng ating pantry is our first toilet and bath. Kasi this is a 5-bedroom house. Meron tayong ground floor bedroom. So, for the elderly, meron po ito, pasok to. Yan. For the toilet and bath, ayan, ang ganda nung even the mirror is really nice. And then of course, your sink and faucet, your water closet, and then your shower area na meron na pong rain shower. And then you also have the niche here, which is very useful. And then meron na rin kayo nung half na glass shower enclosure para hindi lang nag-spill over during shower time. And most likely, kung wala naman kayong elderly, this is gonna be your staff room or guest room. Ayan, eto na, bukas na siya. Bukas na mag-isa. So, this is your ground floor bedroom. This is a little bit smaller than the bedroom upstairs. Pero, good enough. Kasya double bed dito. Ayan, pag double bed, nandito na. Queen size kasya naman, kaya lang medyo masikip na siya. Pero ang kagandahan niyan, you still have your built-in massive floor-to-ceiling closet. Ganda. Oh. Nice. Pati yung handle, ang ganda. Parang bluish gray. Yan. For a spare bedroom, maganda na po ito yung size nito. Coming from our kitchen, we still have a service area. So, which is very useful. This is our laundry area, guys. And pwede na rin slash dirty kitchen. Your washer and dryer can be placed here. And then, ito na yung water supply. You have the electrical supply here. Tapos, mostly covered naman, but you have a not very small. You have, kumbaga, source of natural light and natural air pa rin. And then, clear lang naman yung bubong nito. Yung pinaka-canopy niya is clear. So, may natural lighting ka pa rin dito sa iyong service area. Let's head into the second floor. But first, we need to appreciate yung ganda po ng staircase. Hindi siya yung usual staircase. May mga bloopers din tayo. So, this is a glass and steel staircase. So, this is hindi kinakalawang? Sorry, ang galing. Stainless na, diba? Handrails, ang ganda. And then you have a thick glass here, which accentuates the staircase. Welcome to our second floor. Ang una nyo mapapansin sa ating second floor, meron tayong family area. O, diba? Kahit marami kayong bisita sa baba, your kids can still hang around here. And maluwag po siya, ha? The width would probably be around 3 meters siguro to. 3 meters or 3.5 meters. Ito palang living area by 5. So, 15 square meters na family area. Ang ganda nito. Tapos maglalagay ka lang ng 70 or 70-inch TV dito. Mahilig mga PS4. Ano na ba? PS5. Sorry po, wala po kasi akong PlayStation since birth. So, pwede Xbox. Alam nyo yan, yung mga hilig nyo, pwede kong gawin dito. And then, of course, you have the 2 bedrooms side by side here. So, kung marami kayong anak, 2 babae, 2 lalaki, pwede. Ito muna try natin. Check natin. So, this is our first bedroom. Size would be around 2.5 by more or less mga 12 square meters. Hindi siya sobrang lapad, pero pahaba kasi siya. And then your bed would probably placed here. Meron na kayong bedside table, automatic, parang makeup area, diba? Pero ang magandahan, meron ulit split type AC, so wala na pong magbubutas. So may mga split type AC na nakasama. You have your built-in closet na maganda rin. Bukas ba ilaw natin lahat? Yes. O, diba? Luwag. Ang ganda pa sa taas. You even have a few, kumbaga, pwede nalagyanan ng shoes to or bags. Diba? And then, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. En-suite toilet and bath. Finishes are almost identical to the ground floor na shower. Halos parehong-pareho naman siya. Meron na rin tayong provision for water heater. Although wala pa tayong water heater. Yan. So, yun. Let's head into the second bedroom. For our second bedroom, medyo hindi naman. Medyo iba pala to. Sorry. Size is about the same, but the layout is a little bit different. Dito po ang ating headboard. Ayan, meron naman siyang, kumbaga, tawag dito, accent wall or dito, yung headboard nyo. And then you have a big window here. And then you have your AC. Yan. And then, of course, you have your built-in closet. You know, para ka lang nagre-renta sa sarili mong bahay, pero ang ganda na ng bahay mo. Not too bad. Hindi ko pa sinasabi yung presyo. Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. Ayan, this one, the mirror is different. Ano siya? Medicine cabinet or toiletries cabinet siya na merong mirror. And then you have the, of course, you can faucet, the water closet. Everything's the same. Ang medyo na iba lang yung ating mirror. Ayan. O, Ganda. Ganda tong bahay na to. Oh, nasa Brookside ka na. Tuwan-tuwa talaga kami kasi taga rito po kami sa Brookside. Ang convenient kasi pag dumaan ka sa Gate 1, huwag po kayong dadaan doon kapag may bagyo kasi doon po bumabaha. Dito po sa Gate 3, hindi po bumabaha dito. Although pag dilubyo, yung bandang harapan, medyo bumabaha din. Pero that's very rare. So, it's very convenient. Maraming schools. We even have a hospital, yung Ortigas Hospital sa Gate 1. Tapos paglabas mo nun, that's already Junction. Kasunod mo nun, SM East na po. So, mabalik tayo. Ang dami ko rin sinabi. This is the master bedroom. Fit for a master. Or two masters. Kayo mag-asawa. Yan. So, this is your headboard. You have bedside table on each side. And then you already have your sockets. O, diba? Sobrang conveniente. And then on the other side, you have a massive naka-ready na yun para sa inyong malaking TV talaga dito. Meron din po tayong split type AC. Nakasarado lang. Yan. And then, wala po tayong closet. Nakabukas kasi. Dapat nakasarado to para surprise. Yan. Wala pong closet ang master bedroom. Mirror lang. Pero this is a sliding mirror door. Meron po tayong walk-in closet. Wow, ganda. This is nice. O, diba? Ang laki po ng ating walk-in closet. Lagi ko pong binibiro sa inyo. Ito na po yung para sa mga mister. And then the rest will be para po sa inyo mga misis. Yan. And then meron po kayong vanity area. You have a vanity area here na marami pa ring storage. Lagay lang kayo ng round na stool and then a big mirror here. Napakaganda na. Actually, may LED po ito. Hindi lang nakabukas. May LED light na siya. And then, syempre, katabi ng inyong walk-in closet is your master toilet and bath. Wala pa lang din tayong mirror dito pero malamang lalagyan yan. Kasi yung mga spare bedrooms meron. So, most likely meron yan. Dito, iba naman po ang ating naging itsura ng ating toilet and bath. And one big difference is we have a full sliding glass shower enclosure. Kasya po kayo ng misis mo or kung ikaw lang naman, maluwag na maluwag to. Diba? And then you have the same shower pero different naman ang ating finishes. Iba yung tiles na ginamit. Pero ano siya eh, a touch of marble yung pinaka-ginamit natin design. Ang ating flooring, syempre, non-skid na marble tiles. Marble design tiles. And then, yun lang. And then, for the master bedroom, you have a spacious balcony. Oh, diba? Malaki rin yung balcony mo kasi ang isang round table and 2 chairs. Oh, diba? Ganda dito. May mga gumagawa pa kasi finishing touches pa yung property natin. So, and then may natural, sorry, hindi ko napakita to kanina. May natural exhaust din ang ating toilet and bath. Ayan, may sarili siyang windows. O, check po natin yung third floor. May third floor pa po tayo. Wow! This is our fifth and final bedroom. Pero napakalaki. Pwede po siyang family room. Ang laki po nito. Halos buong third floor. Hindi, kalahati lang naman. Size would be probably around 5 by 5 by 8. Mga 40 square meters po ito. Ang laki nito. Kahit maglagay po kayo ng billiards table dito, pwede. Maluwag pa. Billiards, table tennis. Pwede nga billiards dito, table tennis dito. Your call, guys. Ibig sabihin, your creativity, pwede nyo i-maximize to. Pwede nyo rin yung gawing master bedroom to sa sobrang laki nito. And ang kagandahan, mayroon din siyang toilet and bath. Wala lang siyang walk-in closet, pero pwede mong gawa ng walk-in dyan yan. Ganda. Same finishes as the first, second, and third toilet and bath, pero napakalaki na itong room na to. This can really be a big family area na meron din sariling balcony. Diba? Ang luwag, ang laki. Kita mo na rin yung Ortigas skyline. Ayan, kung makikita ng camera. And you're towering over your neighbors kasi ito po yung pinakabago. Karamihan are more on the, kumbaga, traditional houses, bungalow. So, wala rin masyado nakakaharang sa view nyo. Luwag nito, itong balcony dito. This one's bigger than the balcony sa ating master bedroom. Tapos na! Ay, hindi pa pala. But wait, there's more! Woohoo! Ang ganda, oh! Grabe! Guys, ang ganda nitong townhouse na to. Parang hindi siya townhouse. Biruin mo, paglabas mo sa third floor galing sa iyong fifth or family room na napakalaki, you have a roof deck area. Partially covered, nandito tayo sa covered part. Meron tayong kitchenette area dito. Meron ding sink and faucet na matte black, and then the rest are white. And then eto po ang ating very spacious roof deck area. May katabi ka pang mangga na pag namunga, ito na, kukunin mo na lang yung mga pipitasin mo na. Papaalam ko naman sa kapitbahay mo kasi hindi sa atin to. Yan. Pero napakaluwag nito. Saka may tao sa likod. Ang galing, di ba? May tao sa likuran. May nagre-retouch pa. Kuya, hi ka, hi! Ayan o. Ayan, guys. So, dito you can house siguro kahit mga small party, mga 30 to 40 people, kasang-kasa dito. Kasi one round table, 10 eh. Kasa 4. And then, meron ka pang setup area for the food. And then, you have the family room there. Ang ganda po, di ba? Wala pang presyo. Sasabihin ko na. So, quick recap lang tayo guys for this amazing townhouse. Very spacious. So, this property is located along Ortigas Avenue Extension inside Brookside Hills Subdivision in Cainta, Rizal. And it stands on a 120 square meter lot area with a floor area of 270. Napakaluwag po ng townhouse na to. Kita nyo naman. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and then you have 1 indoor garage and then another 1 outside. Pero maluwag po yung garahe nyo. It can fit siguro additional 2 e-bikes. Yan kasi mahilig ng mga tao ngayon, e-bikes, diba? And then the asking price for this property is just 13 million pesos. And the best part is wala pong required na down payment. After reservation po, we will help you process the bank financing. Pag na-approve na po kayo, magta-transfer kami ng title and then para na lang po kayo nagre-renta sa sarili nyong bahay. So, if you're looking for a house this 2026, this might be it. Hindi pa binabaha ang bahay na to. That's wala mang guarantee pero parang 99.9% yun. So, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Please message us on the number below. Please also follow our social media pages. RV Realty PH on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, I am Realtor RV para makita nyo po kung ano ba yung ginagawa namin pag meron kaming tripping, pag may loan signing kami, para nakikita nyo po kung ano yung mga steps na kailangan gawin. So, marami pong salamat. See you on the next one. God bless.